Exporting citations to NoodleTools with Gale databases. When searching the Clovis Community College Library's Gale databases, like opposing viewpoints, the citations of information sources can be exported directly into a NoodleTools project of your choice. First, open a browser window and log into your NoodleTools account. Then, using the same browser window, open a new tab and begin searching the Gale database of your choice. Find a list of all available Gale databases on the library's Articles Research Databases page. Click on an item of interest in the database to get the full document and its details. In the toolbar near the top of the page, click on Cite for the Citation Tools window to appear. Citation tools can also be found in the Source Citation area at the very end of a document. There is no need to choose a citation format in the Citation Tools window or Source Citation area. Exporting will match the citation format with the project you choose from your NoodleTools account. Click on the NoodleTools icon to begin the export. A NoodleTools import page will then open. Under the Import area of the page, your NoodleTools username should be displayed. Use the drop-down menu to choose the project where you would like the citation to appear. Select Import References to complete the process. You can now switch to the NoodleTools tab of your browser to review the citation. Open the correct project, and the new citation should be present with a note reading, "This reference was exported from the database." Select the citation. Review the information and determine if the fields have been properly filled. Check for any warning icons indicating potential citation errors. Perform any necessary edits, and then click Save. For more help with this resource or any other library resource, please feel free to contact the library.